In today's rapidly changing job market, understanding the distinction between passive and active income is crucial for anyone seeking financial freedom. Active income refers to the earnings generated from direct involvement in work, such as salaries, wages, or freelance projects, where time and effort directly correlate with income. In contrast, passive income is the revenue earned with minimal ongoing effort, often derived from investments, rental properties, or royalties. As the landscape of employment evolves, financial literacy becomes increasingly important. This desire drives the pursuit of both passive and active income strategies, as individuals seek to create a balanced financial portfolio that supports their lifestyle goals. By understanding and leveraging both income types, one can work towards achieving a more liberated and fulfilling life. Passive income is defined as earnings generated with minimal active involvement, allowing individuals to earn money without the need for continuous work. This financial strategy contrasts sharply with active income, where earnings are directly tied to the hours worked or effort expended. The primary benefit of passive income lies in its ability to create a steady revenue stream that can supplement or even replace traditional income sources. Examples of passive income include investments in stocks or real estate, where individuals earn dividends or rental income, and royalties from creative work such as books, music, or patents. These sources require an initial investment of time, money, or creativity, but can yield ongoing returns with little to no additional effort. The allure of making money while you sleep serves as a powerful motivator for many, as it embodies the dream of financial independence and freedom. Imagine waking up to find that your investments have grown, or that your creative work continues to generate income without your direct involvement. This concept not only appeals to those seeking financial security, but also resonates with individuals desiring more time for personal pursuits, hobbies, or family. By establishing passive income streams, one can achieve a more balanced lifestyle, reducing the stress associated with traditional employment. Ultimately, passive income offers a pathway to financial freedom, enabling individuals to focus on what truly matters to them while their money works for them, creating a sustainable and rewarding financial future. Active income is defined as earnings generated through direct services or labor, where individuals receive compensation in exchange for their time and effort. This type of income is typically associated with traditional employment, where workers are paid based on the hours they work or the tasks they complete. Common examples of active income include salaries, hourly wages, and commissions earned from sales. In these scenarios, the amount of money earned is directly linked to the amount of work performed, meaning that if an individual stops working, the income ceases as well. While active income can provide a stable financial foundation, it also comes with significant limitations when it comes to achieving financial freedom. One major drawback is the finite nature of time. There are only so many hours in a day that one can dedicate to work. This limitation means that there is a cap on how much one can earn through active income alone. Additionally, reliance on a single source of active income can lead to financial vulnerability, particularly in times of economic uncertainty or job loss. The pressure to continuously work to maintain income can also lead to burnout and decreased quality of life. As individuals seek greater financial independence, understanding the characteristics and limitations of active income becomes essential. By recognizing these constraints, one can explore alternative income streams, such as passive income, to create a more balanced and sustainable financial future, ultimately paving the way toward true financial freedom. The need for financial education in schools has never been more critical, as equipping students with financial literacy skills can significantly impact future generations. Advocating for the inclusion of financial literacy in primary education is essential, as it lays the groundwork for responsible money management from an early age. Understanding basic concepts such as budgeting, saving, and investing can empower children to make informed financial decisions throughout their lives. In contrast to traditional career paths, which often emphasize stable employment and predictable salaries, modern financial opportunities have expanded dramatically. With the rise of entrepreneurship, gig economies, and digital investments, young people now have access to diverse avenues for generating income. However, without a solid foundation in financial education, they may struggle to navigate these new opportunities effectively. By integrating financial literacy into the curriculum, schools can prepare students to adapt to the evolving job market and seize these opportunities with confidence. Furthermore, encouraging viewers to seek knowledge about managing finances effectively is crucial in fostering a culture of financial responsibility. This pursuit of knowledge can take many forms, from attending workshops and seminars to utilizing online resources and courses. By prioritizing financial education, we can cultivate a generation that is not only financially savvy, but also capable of making sound decisions that lead to long-term stability and success. Ultimately, investing in financial literacy education today will yield significant benefits for individuals and society as a whole, creating a future where people are empowered to achieve their financial goals and contribute positively to the economy. The earnings time graph serves as a valuable tool for understanding the relationship between time and income generation, illustrating how different income streams can impact financial stability and growth. On this graph, the x-axis represents time, while the y-axis reflects income levels. As individuals invest time into their work, the graph typically shows a steady increase in income, particularly for those engaged in active income pursuits. However, this relationship is not linear. It often plateaus once the maximum potential earnings are reached, highlighting the limitations of active income. A critical aspect of this graph is the concept of minimum income necessary for survival, which represents the baseline income required to meet essential living expenses. Understanding this threshold is vital, as it underscores the importance of generating sufficient income to cover basic needs, while also allowing for savings and investment. The graph further emphasizes the stark difference in income growth between active and passive income. While active income may provide immediate financial rewards, its growth is often constrained by the number of hours worked and the effort exerted. In contrast, passive income has the potential for exponential growth over time, as it can continue to generate revenue with minimal ongoing effort once established. This distinction highlights the importance of diversifying income sources and investing time in creating passive income streams. Ultimately, the earnings time graph serves as a powerful reminder of the need to balance time and income strategies, encouraging individuals to seek opportunities that promote long-term financial growth and stability. The ideal lifeline is a conceptual framework that represents personal aspirations and the journey toward achieving one's financial goals. This line illustrates the desired trajectory of life experiences, encompassing not only financial success, but also personal fulfillment, happiness, and well-being. As individuals envision their ideal life, they often set specific financial milestones that align with their aspirations, such as home ownership, travel, education, or retirement. However, as income increases, many face the challenge of maintaining their living standards, which can inadvertently lead to lifestyle inflation. This phenomenon occurs when individuals increase their spending in response to higher earnings, often resulting in a cycle where financial goals become harder to achieve. The ideal lifeline serves as a reminder to remain mindful of spending habits and to prioritize long-term aspirations over short-term desires. It encourages individuals to reflect on what truly matters to them and to align their financial goals with their ideal life expectations. By doing so, they can create a more sustainable financial plan that supports their aspirations without succumbing to the pressures of societal norms or materialism. Viewers are encouraged to take a step back and assess their financial objectives in relation to their ideal lifeline, ensuring that their efforts are directed toward achieving a fulfilling and balanced life. Ultimately, aligning financial goals with personal aspirations not only fosters a sense of purpose, but also paves the way for a more rewarding and meaningful journey toward financial independence and overall happiness. Transitioning from active to passive income is a strategic process that can significantly enhance financial stability and freedom. To begin, it's essential to encourage viewers to start creating passive income streams early in their careers. The sooner one begins, the more time there is for investments to grow and compound, ultimately leading to greater financial rewards. One of the key components of this transition is understanding the importance of patience and long-term investment strategies. Passive income often requires an initial investment of time, effort, or capital before it begins to generate returns. Therefore, maintaining a long-term perspective is crucial, as the benefits may not be immediately apparent. There are various methods to establish passive income, and some popular examples include blogging and real estate investments. Blogging can generate income through affiliate marketing, sponsored content, or ad revenue, allowing individuals to earn money while sharing their passions or expertise. Similarly, investing in real estate can provide rental income, which can be a reliable source of passive revenue. By purchasing properties and renting them out, individuals can create a steady cash flow that requires minimal ongoing effort once the initial setup is complete. Additionally, diversifying income streams is vital. Exploring multiple avenues can mitigate risks and enhance overall financial security. As viewers embark on this journey, they should remain committed to learning and adapting their strategies over time. Ultimately, transitioning from active to passive income is a rewarding endeavor that can lead to greater financial independence and a more balanced lifestyle, allowing individuals to focus on what truly matters to them. Effective investment strategies are crucial for generating passive income and building long-term wealth. One of the most significant concepts to understand in this context is compound interest, which plays a vital role in wealth accumulation. Compound interest allows your investments to grow exponentially over time, as you earn interest not only on your initial principal, but also on the interest that accumulates. This means that the earlier you start investing, the more you can benefit from the power of compounding, making it essential to begin as soon as possible. Encouraging consistent contributions to retirement accounts and other investment vehicles is another key strategy for generating passive income. Regularly setting aside a portion of your income for retirement accounts, such as a 401k or an IRA, not only helps you build a nest egg for the future, but also takes advantage of employer matching contributions and tax benefits. Additionally, consistently investing in stocks, bonds, or mutual funds can create a diversified portfolio that generates passive income through dividends and interest. Moreover, researching investment opportunities is paramount to making informed decisions. Understanding the risks and potential returns associated with various investments can help you identify the best options for your financial goals. This research may involve analyzing market trends, studying company performance, or exploring real estate opportunities. By staying informed and educated about your investment choices, you can better position yourself for success in generating passive income. Ultimately, implementing these effective investment strategies can lead to financial independence and a more secure future, allowing you to enjoy the benefits of your hard work and smart financial planning. Continuous learning is essential for generating passive income and achieving long-term financial success. Acquiring knowledge equips individuals with the tools necessary to make informed investment decisions, ultimately leading to better financial outcomes. By understanding market trends, investment strategies, and economic principles, investors can identify lucrative opportunities and avoid potential pitfalls. This knowledge not only enhances confidence in decision-making, but also fosters a proactive approach to managing investments. Encouraging viewers to invest time in learning new skills or subjects is crucial in today's rapidly evolving financial landscape. Whether it's taking online courses, attending workshops, or reading books on finance and investing, dedicating time to education can significantly enhance one's ability to generate passive income. For instance, learning about real estate investing, stock market analysis, or digital marketing can open up new avenues for income generation that may not have been previously considered. Moreover, the long-term benefits of education in achieving financial goals cannot be overstated. As individuals expand their knowledge base, they become more adept at recognizing and capitalizing on passive income opportunities. This continuous learning process not only contributes to immediate financial gains, but also lays the groundwork for sustained wealth accumulation over time. Ultimately, embracing a mindset of lifelong learning fosters adaptability and resilience in an ever-changing economic environment. By prioritizing education and skill development, individuals can position themselves for greater financial independence and success, ensuring that their passive income streams continue to grow and thrive in the years to come. Investing in oneself is one of the most valuable strategies for achieving lasting financial goals. In summary, we've explored the key differences between passive and active income, highlighting how active income is earned through direct labor and services, while passive income allows individuals to generate revenue with minimal ongoing effort. Understanding these distinctions is crucial for anyone looking to achieve financial freedom and stability. We also emphasized the importance of financial literacy and continuous learning, as these elements empower individuals to make informed investment decisions and adapt to the ever-changing financial landscape. By acquiring knowledge and skills, you can better navigate opportunities for generating passive income, ultimately leading to long-term financial success. As we conclude, we encourage you to take action by investing time in your financial education and exploring various income-generating strategies. Remember, the journey toward financial independence is ongoing, and the more you learn, the better equipped you will be to make sound financial choices. If you found this content valuable, we invite you to engage with us further. Please subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos on financial literacy, investment strategies, and passive income generation. Don't forget to like this video and share it with friends and family who may also benefit from this information. Your support helps us create more content that empowers individuals to take control of their financial futures. Together, let's build a community focused on learning, growth, and achieving financial goals. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.